Welcome back to Luxefluent. In today's video, we're exploring magnificent estates that epitomize luxury in every detail. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss our exclusive tours. Please note, the views shared here are for entertainment and informational purposes only. They are not financial or legal advice. Always make sure to do your own research. Bella Vista Estate, Summerlin, California. Priced at $70 million and boasting 27,000 square feet of exquisite neoclassical architecture, Bella Vista Estate is where timeless design meets contemporary indulgence. The estate's centerpiece is a sprawling 10-acre polo field, a nod to regal traditions and a haven for equestrian enthusiasts. Imagine hosting exclusive gatherings where guests mingle over friendly matches or leisurely rides. Step inside to discover a private 20-seat movie theater, offering an intimate cinema experience that rivals boutique screenings in high-end cities. Complementing this is a vibrant sports bar and a dedicated disco area, each space crafted to entertain and delight. Here, classic charm is infused with modern amenities, creating a setting where every moment is steeped in luxury and sophistication. Flicker Estate, West Hollywood, California. Listed at $72.5 million and spread over 24,000 square feet. Flicker Estate redefines what it means to live innovatively. The property features 9 spacious bedrooms and 14 lavish bathrooms, each designed to offer maximum comfort and privacy. What truly sets this home apart is its unique floating herb garden in the kitchen, a striking design element that brings nature indoors and adds a touch of whimsy to everyday living. Perhaps the most captivating feature is the master suite, designed almost as a standalone residence, complete with its own jacuzzi and panoramic views that capture the vibrant skyline of Los Angeles. This suite exemplifies modern luxury. Flicker Estate is not just a home, it is a statement of bold design and creative excellence, perfectly blending functionality with a daring aesthetic. Naples Estate, Florida. For those enchanted by the allure of the sea, Naples Estate in Florida offers an unmatched beachfront experience. Priced at $88 million, this property is more than just a house. It's an invitation to a lifestyle of serene coastal living, paired with lavish design. With 6 elegant bedrooms and 9 well-appointed bathrooms, every inch of this estate is designed to provide comfort and sophistication. The home boasts 2 kitchens, making it ideal for entertaining large groups or hosting intimate dinner parties. Outside, 2 sparkling swimming pools create a resort-like atmosphere, inviting residents to relax under the sun or take a moonlight dip. Beverly Hills Gated Compound, Beverly Hills, California. Step into a realm of exclusive sophistication with the Beverly Hills Gated Compound, listed at $88 million and occupying 25,000 square feet of meticulously designed space. This compound showcases the best of Tuscan-style architecture. The stately design is evident in every detail, from the grand entrance and multiple terraces to the state-of-the-art screening room and fully equipped gym. With 10 spacious bedrooms and an astonishing 22 bathrooms, this compound is engineered for both luxury and comfort. It stands as a fortress of opulence and exclusivity, where every corner whispers of a timeless elegance that blends classic design with modern living. Willow Creek Estancia, Rancho Santa Fe, California. For lovers of both luxury and equestrian pursuits, Willow Creek Estancia offers a lifestyle that seamlessly blends grand living with outdoor passion. Priced at $98.5 million and set on a sprawling 77-acre estate, this property features a magnificent 15,000 square foot main residence with 6 beautifully appointed bedrooms and 7 luxurious bathrooms. Every detail has been considered. The estate is a paradise for horse enthusiasts. It houses extensive equestrian facilities, including a 27-stall main barn and a 7-stall family barn. Elegant archways, intricate ironwork, and multiple dining and sitting rooms evoke a sense of old-world charm while catering to contemporary tastes. For recreation, residents can enjoy a Grand Prix field, 3 sand arenas, and miles of riding trails. A dedicated recreation pavilion, complete with a bowling alley, arcade, and a 20-foot lap pool ensures that entertainment and leisure are always at hand. The Mecca Bay Compound, Watermill, New York. Pushing the envelope of extravagance, the Mecca Bay Compound, priced just under $100 million, is an estate that caters to the extraordinary, comprising 2 grand mansions, totaling 45,000 square feet. The compound is designed for those who dare to dream big. The main mansion alone features 11 spacious bedrooms and 27 luxurious bathrooms, providing ample space for both family and guests. But it's the unique attractions that truly make this property stand out. Imagine a home with its very own Shark Tank, an audacious feature that defies convention, and a private movie theater where cinematic magic comes to life. The Beverly Hills Sanctuary. Available for $126 million. The Beverly Hills Sanctuary redefines modern luxury with a touch of playful extravagance, spanning a 21,700 square foot main house. This estate features 8 plush bedrooms and 20 sophisticated bathrooms. Every space in the home is curated to exude a sense of opulence and comfort. Among its standout features is a car museum that celebrates a passion for fine automobiles, a true delight for car enthusiasts. The property also includes a guest house with an indoor-outdoor pool, ensuring that entertainment and relaxation go hand in hand. With extensive outdoor amenities and carefully designed interiors, the Beverly Hills Sanctuary is a modern playground for billionaires, offering a lifestyle that is both indulgent and innovative. The Manor, Los Angeles, California. No discussion of luxury real estate would be complete without mentioning The Manor, a landmark of mega mansion extravagance. Priced at $137.5 million, this 56,500 square foot French chateau-style residence is steeped in history and opulence. Originally built for famed TV producer Aaron Spelling, The Manor is an iconic estate with 123 rooms that include a grand foyer, multiple entertainment rooms, and even a dedicated giraffe room, a whimsical nod to a bygone era of eccentric luxury. Every corner of the manor tells a story of historic charm blended with modern spectacle. Its grand scale and intricate detailing create an atmosphere of unmatched sophistication and extravagance. Casa Encantada, a monument to excess. For those who view luxury as an art form, Casa Encantada stands as a true monument to excess. Priced at a staggering $195 million and spanning 40,000 square feet, this estate is built to impress. With 7 lavish bedrooms and 20 elegant bathrooms, the home offers generous space for both living and entertaining. A standout feature of Casa Encantada is its walnut paneled library, a serene retreat filled with rich, classic decor that invites quiet reflection and intellectual pursuit. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The estate also features top-tier athletic amenities, including a basketball court and a tennis court with a dedicated viewing pavilion, ensuring that residents can maintain an active lifestyle in style. A pool pavilion that doubles as a screening room provides a perfect venue for hosting movie nights, while an expansive garage with room for 15 automobiles caters to the most discerning car collectors. Malibu Mansion of Beyoncé and Jay-Z, Malibu, California. Last but certainly not least, we have the Malibu Mansion of Beyoncé and Jay-Z, a minimalist masterpiece that redefines contemporary luxury. This 42,000 square foot home, designed by the acclaimed architect Tadano Ando, is all about balance. It offers panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, blending indoor and outdoor living into a seamless experience. The mansion's design emphasizes clean lines and open spaces, creating an atmosphere of calm sophistication. A private art gallery provides a space for the couple's awards and cherished pieces, while an underground bunker offers a secure retreat from the outside world. Perhaps one of the most striking features is the expansive driveway, so vast that it practically demands GPS coordinates. For those with a taste for the extraordinary, these estates provide an inspiring look into what it means to live without compromise. Every feature, from private movie theaters and expansive polo fields to underground bunkers and art galleries, has been thoughtfully designed to create a lifestyle that is as comfortable as it is breathtaking. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into opulent living. What feature would you love to see in your dream home? Share your thoughts below. Click the upper right-hand button to watch more of our exclusive content and subscribe to Luxefluent. Get fluent, stay fluent.